Do you want to know how you can add the QuillBot add-ins on your Word or Microsoft Word? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the QuillBot add-ins on your MS Word. So go ahead and open any browser and search for QuillBot AI login, or just add QuillBot AI. Then what you need to do is go to the home page and scroll a bit down and find Word Add-in. Tap on Word Add-in and then you can see the Microsoft Word Extension installation instructions. So you can read this, or you can just go ahead and click Get It from Microsoft Store. After you click it, this page will load up. Go ahead and click Get It Now, and you must sign in to Microsoft App Store. Go ahead and click on Sign In and click Get It Now. Now, if it doesn't work, just go ahead and search for Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, go to the search bar, and then search for QuillBot. If it doesn't show up, what you can do is close the tab once again and try to install it. So the first step is to sign into Word before installing the add-in process. The step 2 is to insert. Click in add-ins, which is over here on your Word, and you can see the Office Store, and you must click add over here. And you can see the QuillBot will be showed on your Microsoft Word. So let's go ahead and open Word, and you can see this over here. We have added Grammarly. This way we can also add the QuillBot option. So if it doesn't work, just go ahead and try again. Go ahead and click Sign In Now. Write down your email address, click on Sign In, click on Get It Now, and write down your email address once again. As you have signed in, what you need to do is write down all of your description over here. You must write it down. This exclamation or this asterisk button is for compulsory, so you must go ahead and find your country and write this at least, or choose your country at least. So go ahead and click Get It Now. Wait for a while, as this might be time consuming. Click on Open in Word and click on Open. Click Yes, wait for a while because it might take some time. Click on Close, click Enable Editing, and click on Trust this add-in. So you can see on the right hand side the QuillBot has been activated. In a while you can use QuillBot. So go ahead and write down your email address and password. If you don't have your account, you can just register for QuillBot now. So guys, this is how you add QuillBot add-ins on your Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.